धन्यवाद। कृपया आप विराजमान हो जाएं। देवी और सज्जनों, वाधवन बंदरगाह पर आधारित एक फिल्म हमने बनाई है, जिसे देखने के लिए ना ही यहाँ पर उपस्थित स्थानिक बल्कि पूरे विश्व के लोग उत्सुक हैं। मैं आपका ध्यान स्क्रीन की तरफ आकर्षित करना चाहती हूँ।
प्रेरणा और प्रगति जब एक साथ जुड़ते हैं तो एक नए युग की नींव पड़ती है।
Under the powerful leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the bold vision of Viksit Bharat 2047 is taking shape. Through transformative initiatives, we are building a future to a stronger, more prosperous India. In just a decade, India's maritime sector has ranked as the 16th largest maritime nation. The port capacity and coastal cargo has almost doubled. The number of seafarers has increased 1.5 times. And cargo through national waterways has increased by more than 1800%. But this is only the beginning. With the Honorable Prime Minister's empowering Amrit Kal Vision 2047, we are now charting a course towards even brighter horizons.
हम यहाँ के पोर्ट्स की कैपेसिटी को बढ़ाने पर काम कर रहे हैं, पोर्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर निवेश कर रहे हैं, सागरमाला परियोजना के तहत पोर्ट्स की कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ाई जा रही है।
With an investment of 80 lakh crore rupees, the Amrit Kal Vision 2047 will shape world-class ports with over 300 initiatives. India has now set its sights to expand capacity, lead globally and build a sustainable world-class maritime sector. Now to truly expand India's canvas in line with Prime Minister Modi's visionary leadership and the bold directives of the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, India's next monumental leap in maritime excellence. Presenting the Vadhavan Mega Port of the 21st century. Strategically located just 150 kilometers from Mumbai, the Vadhavan Mega Port is set to be completed in 2 transformative phases, which will provide state-of-the-art facilities with unmatched capabilities. By the end of its second phase, the Vadhavan Mega Port will handle an astounding 23.2 million TEUs. It will drive employment and empower communities by creating more than 12 lakh direct jobs and over 1 crore indirect jobs. Dedicated freight corridors, DFCs, will ensure faster, more efficient connectivity nationwide. And its location will provide direct connectivity to INSTC and IMEEC. Vadhavan is set to contribute over 1% to Maharashtra's GDP, aligning seamlessly with the state's $1 trillion vision for growth and prosperity. From the beginning, Vadhavan was conceived as a green port. It balances economic growth with environmental stewardship in support of India's blue economy. The port will spur economic and social development of the coastal communities and the entire region of Maharashtra. Guided by the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Vadhavan Mega Port reflects his relentless drive for a Viksit Bharat. Welcome to the Vadhavan Mega Port, where India's maritime journey is just beginning.
Yeah.